Hi everyone, it's Gagajoy, Gagajoy's Cooking. Today we're going to do a little side dish. It's actually a very pretty side dish. It's easy, easy to fix, quick, and take to any little gathering you're having. So we love it. My daughter was the first to introduce it to me, and since then it's become part of my and you use chili sauce, 5 kinds of beans, and it's actually called a green bean salad, and then a pepper and an onion. So this is butter beans. That's one of the good ones. Chickpeas. This one is dark red kidney beans. You can use the light kidney beans. This just looks prettier. Pinto beans or another brown bean. And just regular cut green beans. And a whole bottle of the chili sauce. I keep this on hand all the time. It's always coming in handy for something. Okay, you're pretty good. And an onion. I love stuff like this, especially now that there's hope of spring coming. And this is so good with pork chops, hamburgers, hot dogs, anything you want like that. I love it with pork chops, I really do. Now, if you want to put it in a crock pot, you can for, I think it's 4 hours, but I like to stick mine in the oven on 350 for about 40 minutes, and they're perfect. I put a top on them and stick them in the oven for 40 minutes. But in 30 minutes, you take the top off. You have to leave the top on it for the first 40 minutes. 1 medium onion. And I chose a yellow pepper instead of a red one or a green one. Or orange. I love the yellow peppers, but I like them also. Oh, that onion was hot. It's very pretty where we live right now in Virginia, and there's storms and hurricanes and all kinds of, some places are going to get 2 feet of snow. I don't know how we got past that one, because Virginia's usually right in the middle. It's just the way the currents, I guess the wind and everything is. That's my oven on 350. And then just stir it up. And that's it. That truly is it. Now you've got enough moisture in here. I did drain all the beans and stuff, but there's still enough moisture in here. And you might check it, make sure that there is, because peppers and onions and stuff like that do have a little bit of moisture that draw out. Like this. Put the top on it. Put it in the oven for 40 minutes. I just took my beans out of the oven. They went 40 went 30 minutes. Then I took the top off, and for another 15 minutes. It's usually 10. Oops. Good day for me. But you can see how beautiful they are to take to a dinner. 35 minutes. Well, I love these, so we'll cook some pork chops and have it for supper. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon.